third case for argument this morning is United States against Johnson. Mr. Sacchetti.
Your Honors. May it please the Court, I think I have reserved 2 minutes for rebuttal.
Yep, you have.
Thank you.
I'll go ahead.
I'll be honest with this Court. I don't think that the position that we have is one that this Court has honored, has found to be a very strong one. But I think that we have a problem with police taking advantage of interrogation situations, of hoping that they will find evidence, of making pretextual stops and using the situation by saying, yes, this gentleman was speeding, and then ultimately finding cocaine and being happy when they make the arrest and ultimately make the conviction.
Counsel, is there anything left of your argument after the Supreme Court's decision in January in the Caballas case?
I understand. I mean, I'm here because I feel very strongly about this. I mean, my words are probably not being heard by very many people. But I feel necessary that some people need to listen. There are...
Any way to distinguish it? I mean, I understand you object to the premise of that.
I hope you can find one.
Well, what you want us to do is overrule the Supreme Court.
I want you to find a way to help me distinguish this, Judge. I am very disturbed.
Well, you can be disturbed in your own time. Why are you intruding on mine?
Well, because
I can't reverse the Supreme Court.
Because I want you to be disturbed, too.
Well, if I am disturbed, it's for arguments that have nothing to do with reality.
I understand, and I don't want to argue. I want to help effect a change that is positive to this country. And
is there anything in your argument that is different in your brief? Or have you expended your spleen on the brief itself?
The only thing I would tell you at this point that is not in here is that the government talks about how the consent is we need to look at the issue of consent as well. There obviously is no
consent isn't necessary in the facts in this case.
Based on the dog.
Based on the Supreme Court.
I know. Well, I have nothing else to say. Good luck.
Thank you, counsel. Mr. Bookman. Counsel.
Table.
Your seat is at counsel's table.
Your Honor, I apologize. I was walking back in frustration.
May it please the Court, my name is Matt Brookman. I'm an assistant U.S. attorney from the...
I assume you don't want us to overrule the Supreme Court.
I don't.
Well, that's good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much. The case is taken under advisement.